Is that him? Oh, sorry, sweetie. I'm so sorry. That sounds like just wait. Give me the fan. Is that too hard, Stephanie? No, it's fine. No, it's fine. That's okay, sweetie.
It's alright, my boy.
No. But you see how stinky he is? Like he really is. Oh my god.
Hey, listen, I need you to make sure he doesn't jump. Okay, someone can you record this for me? Thank you.
Okay.
Ow! Ow! No wonder the cat doesn't like you.
Okay.
It with everything. It's okay. It's okay, my boy. Oh god, he stinks.
He is stinks.
Aww.
But that's no doubt.
Oh, it's okay. Obviously it's not if he's meowing. It's okay.
Can you pass me the white stuff? Oh, never mind, trigger. You'll be okay. It's not this is really nice water. Don't be, you know. Oh, Estefanita, this is not for pets, but that's okay. No, it smells good though.
Stephanie, you're gonna make him have an allergic reaction. Then he's gonna kill you.
No.
Then I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, she, you're just like a boy. Wow. He is a boy.
He hasn't hit puberty yet.
I know, baby.
Oh, baby. It's okay, Tim. Tim, it's okay.
I don't think he ever taken a shower in his life.
Timmy?
Yeah,
He has, but it's been a really long time.
Tim, I've never seen you walk before.
Mom, wait. I have more soap. I know. It has to be under where you know it's the bomb and everything. That's what all this,
He doesn't like it.
stuff is. Like, I don't mind about his face. His face is like his bone.
Well, no one's in there. That's what you're getting.
Oh, good boy. That's such a good kitty. Oh,
It's okay.
he's still getting a treat, you guys know.
Oh, yeah.
He's so funny.
Oh my gosh, when he did that, I got so... Oh, there goes Stormy.
The cat's not even fat.
No. Oh, it is big spot. You just saw me when she's wet, eh? That is
No, it's okay. It's
I'll do it with his mom.
Oh my god.
I have my hand in there. It's no fun. Oh, that was so disgusting.
Okay, stop.
Oh, the little comb. I can do it with the comb. Like that, it was.
Oh, he shakes too.
That's just me.
He doesn't like it, Mom. Mom, you're touching his, you know what? Culo.
No, take your spit out of that. Ew. Oh, a little bit too disgusting.
You're washing it with dirty water now. Take it out of the tap.
You mean out of the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna get more water. Come here, sweetie. Let the water go. We're gonna let the water go and get new water.
You're gonna let you slide, okay? Slide. It's slide. It's okay. We're gonna do Stormy next.
I don't think that one will work.
Mom, that's cool.
No, he's looking at me.
Now that's really hot. No!
yeah. He deserves to be fed at. Yes. I'm gonna get his food right away. Yeah. I know. It's so disgusting. You're so disgusting.
It's okay.
Oh, sweetie, I don't know. I know. Oh, come on.
Can I try him? Because he likes me because I didn't like her.
I know.
Stormy, you're dead.
I don't think so.
Ready, Stormy? Oh my god.
Dude! What happened? Did you scratch you?
No, she's like, I put her towards it and she
Aww. Timmy.
Yeah.
Timmy, it's okay.
Okay, we're gonna give you your food. Yeah.
He was like trying so hard to get out.
He was so cute.
He kept getting his food.
What time is it? I know, sweetie, this was just not good for you. But how are we gonna do you? Still so badly. Like, he was just sitting beside me, and he opened his legs, and it's like, oh my god. No, unbelievable. He's so sitting on my pillows, I didn't know that. He's not clean at all. Okay. I'm just gonna go get another towel. That's
She's
it.
ready.
Oh no, mira.
No, because it's Timmy. She doesn't want to be by Timmy.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Because Timmy's crying and he doesn't want. She doesn't want him back. I'm not giving her a shower. She's clean.
It's okay, Tim. Tim, you're all good. You're all good. Don't yell.